Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. In this channel, normally I try to bring those stocks which are about to break out and we can make some quick money. Also, I make videos in pre-market so that I can give you some update for the coming trading days so that you guys can make some trade. Also, I made some videos during the trading hours so that you can also get some advantage. So if you think my previous videos were useful or you want to get regular update, as I told you, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to hit the like button. It helps my channel grow a lot. And so far we are making money, so here you go. So this video is about ticker symbol CLSK, and mostly like you can see the chart here, but I will go through the chart soon. So let's look at what is CLSK. Maybe you already know. So it offers advanced energy software and control technology that enables a plug and play enterprise solution to modern energy challenge. I will not go through everything, but this is a clean energy sector, and also it has some other association with Bitcoin anyway. So we all know that recently President Biden announced something which will boost the EV stocks. At the same time, today we know like this stock is running. There are a few reasons. I will go there. So I'm coming back to the chart. We can see that stock like ran from $16 up to like $42, came down, tried to make a recovery like when it was around 41. Then a short seller report came on January 14th and the stock dropped, right? Even though like it's an unknown research company, and I think CLSK, they are making some investigation, but anyway, that caused that market share price came back to like $24. And from the chart you can see that this is the bottom, right? Like 24. So it was bounced before, even yesterday, even today, like it bounced sometimes. And I made a Twitter post this morning and also in Instagram saying that this is the support, it's a good time to buy. Okay, now let's see why the stock price is green today, is going up today. So what's the news? So one news came this morning about CleanSpark that now they wholly own the Grid Fabric subsidiary has completed the process of Open ADR certification for KIGT and electric vehicle charging software and technology. So you can go through the news, but that's a good news, right? So that is one good news, is pushing the stock price higher. Other than that, there is another news, or not news. So the CleanSpark, they have an association with Bitcoin, right? So we know as the Bitcoin will go up, this stock can get some benefit. And when I look at Bitcoin chart today, like I see that Bitcoin is rising. So who knows, that from 32 it can go to 36 or even 40,000. So anyway, so it has an association with EV, clean energy sector, at the same time Bitcoin. So you see the point, right? And this morning, like you can see, we shoot up from 24, we went up to 26, then we came down. Now again we just broke today's high, and currently we are around 26.15. So all good, right? So let's look at the chart now. So that was a falling edge, then we broke that pattern. So we tried to go up, we came down, we hit the support twice back to back, and now we are going higher. So what we can see, that is the hammer pushing upward. So currently we are around 26.1, but we can easily go up to $29, or even we can go even higher. Maybe I will just draw another line here, and let's make it red. So that could be another resistance here, like $29-30 and going higher. I know like you guys know how to draw support and resistance. I will not spend a lot of time. I just want to make the video online so that during trading day you can make some advantage. So this is a stock, entirely up to you. Make your own research before you buy or sell this particular stock. I'm just giving my thoughts. If you want to play with option, normally I play with option, not very expensive. You can go with February 19th or March 19th. Why February? I think they have an earning around 9th of February as per trading view. So there could be some earning run up. So if you choose February 19th, and if you choose like $30 strike, is not expensive, like $240, and I think this stock can go up to $30 easily. So 240 is a good one. Personally, I bought the March 19, and I bought the $35 strike, which is 295, but I bought it at a cheaper price this morning. So it's not necessary the stock price has to go 30 or 35. Because of the run up, your premium price will go high, so you can always sell and you can gain some profit. But looking at the chart, I think it can go easily to 30, and if it makes a good reversal, it can go back to its $40 mark. So when I took March expiry, like, I'm giving myself enough time so that it can go to 40, and my strike price is 35. So anyway, I wanted to bring this video during the trading hours so that you guys can see and you can decide whether to buy or sell or hold or see, like, till tomorrow. Like, we know the market is very volatile today, mostly it's red, but even on a red day this stock is green. So not bad. I started my position, but I will hold it till March, but it's again up to you. And again, if you like my channel, the way I bring videos during trading hour, or I make videos pre-market, sometime like aftermarket, don't forget to subscribe, so that we can all have some good trading days and we can all gain from this information. Anyway, again, please don't forget to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe, make your comments. If there is something you do not want to agree with me, make a comment. We always like to grow together as a community. Anyway, thank you very much, my friends. Take care. Peace.